When it comes to home improvement, many homeowners in League City focus on their windows, siding, or roof, yet often overlook their doors. However, replacing old, worn-out doors can make a remarkable difference in your home's comfort, appearance, and value. With League City Windows and AMP doors, you not only get high-quality products but also expert installation and long-lasting performance. Let's explore the top benefits of replacing your old doors and why this upgrade is worth every penny. Enhanced energy efficiency. Old doors often develop gaps, cracks, and warping over time, letting in drafts that make your heating and cooling systems work harder. This leads to higher energy bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Modern replacement doors from League City Windows and AMP doors are designed with advanced insulation materials, tight seals, and energy-efficient glass options that reduce air leakage. By keeping your home's temperature stable year-round, these doors help you save significantly on energy costs while improving indoor comfort. Increased home security. Your home's safety begins at the front door. Older doors with weak frames, outdated locks, or deteriorating materials can be easy targets for intruders. League City Windows and AMP doors provides durable steel, fiberglass, and reinforced wood doors that are built to resist forced entry. Equipped with state-of-the-art locking mechanisms and impact-resistant designs, these doors enhance your peace of mind. Whether you're upgrading an entry, patio, or side door, you'll benefit from superior protection without sacrificing style. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your doors play a big part in how your home looks from the outside. Faded paint, dents, or outdated designs can make your home appear neglected. Replacing your doors instantly refreshes your home's appearance. League City Windows and AMP doors offers a wide selection of styles, finishes, and decorative glass options to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a modern fiberglass design, classic wooden charm, or sleek contemporary entryway, new doors can transform your exterior and make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Boosted property value. A new door installation is more than just a cosmetic upgrade, it's an investment that pays off. According to National Home Remodeling data, door replacements consistently yield one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, among home improvement projects. Potential buyers notice details like a strong, beautiful front door that signals security, quality, and care. When you work with League City Windows and AMP doors, you're not only improving your daily living experience but also adding value and marketability to your home should you decide to sell. Better comfort and noise reduction. Old doors often allow outside noise to filter in, especially if they're hollow core or poorly sealed. If you live near busy streets or active neighborhoods, this can make your home feel less peaceful. Modern replacement doors from League City Windows and AMP doors feature solid cores and soundproofing insulation, minimizing exterior noise and creating a quieter, more serene indoor environment. Combined with their airtight design, these doors keep your home cozy and comfortable regardless of the weather outside. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Unlike older wood doors that may require constant sanding, painting, and repairs, today's replacement doors are made with low-maintenance materials engineered to resist warping, rotting, and fading. League City Windows and AMP doors installs products from trusted manufacturers that are built to last decades. With minimal upkeep, your new doors will continue to look and function beautifully, saving you time and money in the long run. Customization to match your style. Every home in League City has its unique charm, and your doors should reflect that. League City Windows and AMP doors offers customizable options in size, color, glass design, and hardware. Whether you want a bold front door that makes a statement or a sleek patio door that enhances your outdoor space, you can tailor every detail to fit your taste and home design. Upgrade your home with League City Windows and AMP doors. Replacing your old doors isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a more secure, efficient, and comfortable home. With League City Windows and AMP doors, you get expert craftsmanship, premium materials, and exceptional service that ensures lasting satisfaction. If you're ready to enhance your home's beauty, safety, and value, contact League City Windows and Amp Doors today and discover how a simple door replacement can make a big difference.